All right, for those who are new with me, welcome. For those who are still not new with me and old with me, welcome back to Saturday. Next week is a special week for you to have your break. All right, so you can go shopping, whatever you want. Take a break, enjoy yourself. Those who are new, just use the chat function, please. Chat function is for you to respond, put answer, do everything there, okay? If you need to go to the toilet, please tell me, say, okay, I need to go to the toilet now. Just go. To do in the chat function, come back as soon as possible. All right, be mindful, do not write, do not write. Okay. Whether to play game or not depend on how long the class. If let's say you all respond fast, got time, then go. Okay, if no time, then I'm so sorry. Okay, now today we are going to do an overall topic that is it comprises of everything we have learned in class semester 1. Okay, ready or not? This one you're supposed to have all the questions with you. So when come to question, I'm expecting you to know what are the questions about, so I can go zoom in to the working. All right, pie chart show how he spent his salary. They are all straight lines. Where are they? P, Q, and R, S. And William spent 10% of the money watching videos. Okay, so let's take a look at watching video. Yellow, where is watching video? 10%. Okay, and the amount we spent on clothes. So clothes is what we are asking for. So let's see for clothes. Yeah, here. So how to find this? Let's take a look. Who has this question 1 answer? Put it up to the chat function, please. Quickly. You all need me to type. Okay lah. Let me type this question. Wow, so fast. Thank you. Okay, Q1 answer. All right, Sam has done the job well. Very good. Thank you. Keep on, keep coming. I'm waiting. Okay, now you know that this is a straight line, so that this will make up 50% here. Show you where is that line that makes up 50%. Look here. This is a 50%. Here. Right? So if this is a half, then it's the first half of it. Okay? So next thing is, how are you going to solve for the unknown? Here is the close green, meaning you are supposed to find this. In the first place, you must know what is the portion here. You know that this is a 10%. The savings is a quarter. So a quarter must give you 25%. By now, if you don't know, then you better quickly start to remember by heart. A quarter is 25%. And the whole thing is 50%. So 50%, I minus a 25%, and I have to minus another 10%. Okay? And that will give us how many percent? Let's take a look. Where? 25, 35, 15. Okay. Good. So I'm going to write here 15%. Okay. So then now I have another straight line. That is another clue here. Let's take a look. Why is the clue important here? Because he said this is a straight line. Well, you have this must be equal to this because they are vertically opposite angle. So how much is this percent here? Who can tell me? Is this 4?
40.
How you get 40? Tell me.
15% plus 25%.
Very good. 15% plus 25%. Okay, probably this one I got to do it in black because I want to fill that up. So 15% plus 25%, and that gives you 40%, which is here. Right? And this 40% will give you $480. So overhead bridge, for those who have learned overhead bridge, you know what I meant. Okay, question mark. Remember I say you climb up the escalator. Remember or not? This one, I look at the question mark. My question mark is here. My escalator is here. I go up. I see and I cross my overhead bridge. I divide by this number, get down the escalator, you multiply. This one we have learned before. Can calculator, but the thing is we want to do mental. Try lah, don't rely on everything calculator like so convenient. Okay, don't always train yourself. Your mind must be active. So since you are here, I put it 480 divide by 40, multiply by what? What is this thing here when you get it down? You see? So whatever escalator up, you move, divide, you come down, you multiply. So you divide here, 112. 12 times 15, 180. That's all lah. Must use calculator meh? Don't need lah. You're all are smart children eh. Huh? So now you get to close at 180. So far so good. Jaden very fast. Jaden speed train. Huh? Made in Japan one. Fly so, travel so fast. All right. So those who are with me for overhead bridge, anything that you need to ask me? So far so good. All right. Give me how to say, drop me a message if you have problem. Okay, now I'm going to tag to everyone. Put your input here, please, before I move on. See, this one has a lot of information. Now, this one I want to go through slower, slower because it is a little bit complicated because of this. You see, do you think that they are alternate in many ways? Alternate means some white, some purple, but some purple, some white. The purple can be white, white can be purple, thing like that. How does this work? How does this work? This one not difficult, you know. Later when I do it, then you will realize that, this is simple. Okay, so let's take a look here. I'm not too sure if I have done this. So sorry, I need to, oops. Give me a minute. I stop share because I need to do this. I need to copy the question next to it. Okay, I don't think can yet. Never mind. I share screen. Oh, I think I know why. Are you seeing my screen, by the way?
Nope.
Earlier on when I explained?
No.
Question 1, I didn't show your screen. Did I show this screen? I did,
Yeah.
don't scare me. I thought, I didn't share screen. Okay, never mind. We do this. Now, do you realize that there is a square there? Square means what? The moment you see the word square, it has 4 equal sides. Correct or wrong? 4 equal sides. That means this is 56. Here must also be 56. Here, 2, here. Okay? So do you realize 56 is actually the diameter? The diameter of the circle is also 56 cm. That is called the diameter. But the radius itself is shorter. The radius will be 28. Okay, I'm going to explain this slowly. Okay. Now, do you realize that I can do cut and paste here? Let's do in purple. I'm going to do purple color here. I want to, okay, maybe I do this faster. I'm going to cut this part here and then put it here. Can I do this? I'm going to cut and paste here. And then I'm going to cut here and then I'm going to paste here. Right? And then there is this portion here. I properly do it in this function. I mean, this one here, I can also cut and paste here. After cut, can I paste here? Am I right? I'm going to cut this portion and then I'm going to, sorry, I want to put it here better lah. I put it here. Okay. And then, oh, wait, whether here or here. Okay, here. I decided to put here. Never mind. Then this one, I put it here. Correct. So technically, this is the shaded part here. This is the shaded part here. This is the shaded part already. Also, because I cut and paste. This one also cut and paste. Then this is also cut. This is already original purple. Then this is original purple. Right now. So technically, if you don't look at this one will become white color. Okay, I'm going to do this. This one will become white, right? Okay, this whole part will become white. Technically, if I were to do this, I change it to black. My colored shaded portion will be this whole rectangle. Okay, minus this one. Do you see that or not? Then all this become white color, white color, white color, and white color. Can see or not? I do again, this is not magic, but then this is something realistic. I did something that is different from the answer key. My method works because it is only a 2-step. The problem with this one is because you need to know where to cut and where to paste. Let me do this again. Okay, wait. Let me erase all ink on the slide. I am going to repeat. I put this purple. I cut this. This one become white color. And then I paste it here. Okay. Am I right to say that? So this one become purple because I cut and paste. Then I cut here and I'm going to paste here. Okay. So this one become white color. The cross become white color. Then I'm going to cut this and then I'm going to shade it here. Here. Do you see this? Then technically this one already been covered up, lor. You see or not? Then now I cut this away and I'm going to place it here. See or not? Who is watching? Who is watching what I'm doing now? If you watch carefully, you will understand what is going on now. Okay, so far, I want the response. Read the message over here. So far, until now, don't talk about later. So far, okay? I want everybody to respond. Then later I will read to you. If you don't respond, meaning you're not paying attention. Okay. Only 2. My attendance today is 10. Only 3. The rest of them don't understand. Wait. Let me see. How many? Wow. So far, you know how I cut and paste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. So many. Wow, it's still magic. Very good. Thank you for the compliment. I'm not a magician, but it's not magic. Okay, it's true. A lot of understanding. So technically, I'm going to put this as white, right? White. Can I change to W now? Okay. So this is white space. Cannot put white. I put there in writing. Okay. Now I put this in writing. White color, white color, white color, white color. W stands for white now because cutting away and pasted. Okay. Where do you paste it? This one will paste here. This one you paste here. This one you paste here. This one you paste here. Saw here or not? So technically what you have here, I'm going to draw it out. Okay. AD. So it technically become AD, that is 56 here.